this visual sells dental implants instantly. And the reason why I want to kind of just show you guys what I've been working the past couple of days is because I think that it's, a very interesting, place to be in currently. My background is automation, but with seeing all the tools that we have, I've been a little bit concerned about just, automation as a whole. I'm getting bad vibes. And, I want to basically, focus on things that can really help people. But then again, this stuff is, on the cuffs of being, automated by AI. So I think it's better if I show you what I've been working on. So the problem that I've noticed is that, dentists and doctors, have complex procedures and they lose patients because, the jargon is too complex and, they don't really understand, what the surgery is about and just how it will actually be done on them. So I think the shift that I'm seeing is that instead of telling people about the surgery, you say, here's a step-by-step animation of just like what we're gonna do to you, and just like how this is all gonna work, and it really will help them kind of just ease into what they're gonna be doing on them in the procedure, and I think that this is a really good place to be in because as these AI kind of just services and procedures come into the industry, all their old content is irrelevant and they need a quick easy solution, and that's where we come in to basically match the speed of AI and do it just way cheaper, which is I think my goal is to provide value as fast as possible that is also high quality. And this works because it bypasses complexity, speaks emotion. People, the doctors and patients understand the value of just education, and this will get them people interested in the procedure for years on end. And this is just, I think, the smartest way to adopt AI instead of like replacing your own expertise. Because, you don't need to spend like just a crap ton of money on, animation for it to, be done in like 2 or 3 months, right? When you need something to educate people, you need it now. You need it ASAP. So this is kind of why I've really been thinking like this and viewing AI automation as not like a gimmick, but just the new way of just providing value to people. And my experience is that it is very hard for AI to get it, accurate and right medically. And, I think that this is like, one of the best places to be in and not get, just like freaking just smashed by AI when it comes to automation, because that skill is literally getting eaten alive by AI. Lastly, I'm going to show you the video, which is right here. Tell me what you think, and I hopefully you like this yap that I did. But I just want to kind of just talk about this and the issues that I see with automation. Alright, so that was the video, but it kind of just showed the procedure a bit. And you know, I just find that, you know, you want to have something that provides value up front versus you know, a complex automation where like people don't really understand like what's going on underneath. And I think that what I've realized is that I need to sell something where people can see like a really clear picture of like what they're getting, and then you know, you buy and then you exchange value, right? And I think video is the best way to do that because, you know, people can kind of just see the power of it, which is why I've been really focusing on, you know, being really like an educator for the most part, because you kind of just see the value of it, and I don't really need to explain it in detail on like why you need it in your business. So that was the video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed my TED talk. But yeah, peace out.